In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your account on Calendly and integrate it with your Google Calendar. This step-by-step tutorial is designed to guide you through the setup process smoothly, so let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Calendly website. Once you're there, you'll see an option to sign up with Google. Clicking on that will prompt you to choose an email account that you'd like to connect with Calendly. Select the account that best fits your needs and preferences. Once you've made your selection, click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll have to specify how you plan to use Calendly. This could be anything from personal scheduling to coordinating meetings for a team. After you've made your selection, just click Next. Following that, you'll be asked to select your role. Whether you're an individual contributor, a manager, or something else, pick the option that best describes your responsibilities. Then, click Next again. Now here's an important step. Connect your Calendly account to your Google Calendar. Doing this will help you effectively manage your schedule by keeping all your appointments in one place. Once you've established this connection, it's time to click Next. After syncing your calendar, you'll define when you're available to meet with people. This step is crucial because it lets others know your availability, making it easier to schedule meetings without back-and-forth emails. Once you've set your availability, click Next. Now, you can specify how you'd like to meet with people. Calendly offers various options such as Zoom, Google Meet, and phone calls, among others, to accommodate different meeting preferences. Make your selections and then, once again, click Next. Now that you're on the home page, you'll find you can start creating different types of events. Whether it's a one-on-one meeting, a group session, or something else, Calendly makes it easy to organize your time. And don't forget, if you want to enhance your experience, head over to the Integrations and Apps section. Here, you'll find you can connect other applications with Calendly, making it even more powerful and tailored to your needs. Finally, take some time to explore all the features Calendly has to offer. Familiarizing yourself with the platform will help you unlock its full potential, streamlining your scheduling process and optimizing your time management. So, there you have it. A straightforward way to set up and get started with Calendly. With everything configured, you're now ready to use Calendly to schedule your meetings effortlessly and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.